Hello, today we'll take our quiz on proportional relationships. Here's our first goal. I can decide whether a table represents a proportional or non-proportional relationship. First question, how do we know if a table is proportional? Number 2, is this table proportional or non-proportional? Question 3. Is this table proportional or non-proportional? Since this is a proportional table, what is the constant of proportionality, otherwise known as a unit rate or k-value? The constant of proportionality, also known as a unit rate, also known as the k-value, is 43. Question number 4. Is this table proportional or non-proportional? Since this table is proportional, what is the constant of proportionality, unit rate, or k-value? The constant of proportionality, or unit rate, or k-value, is negative 0 3/10. Our next goal, I can identify the constant of proportionality, also known as the unit rate or k-value, given a proportional table. Based on this table, what is the unit rate? For this table, we could have chosen any of the y to x ratios. If you chose one like I did, then you have to acknowledge that this is money, so this must be, we must attach a 0. Using your calculator, it would have said 2 7/10. But another very important point is this first point, because if we're given 1, then we know in a proportional table, the number with it is the unit rate. The y value is the unit rate. Next question. Based on the information given in this table, what does the unit rate mean? Unit rate always means the amount for 1. So it's $2.70 per gallon, or you can say $2.70 for 1 gallon. Our final goal. I can write an equation based on a proportional table and use the equation to answer questions based on the relationship. Using the unit rate, write an equation in y equals kx form for this table. This is the same table we just used in exercise 5. Since the unit rate for this table is $2.70, it went where the k was in this equation. Use the equation to complete the table. How much would it cost for 12 gallons of gas? So we're given 12, and we want to know the cost. It would cost $32.40. 12 is talking about an x value, so it replaces the x. When we do this in the calculator, we get 32.4, but money must have dollars, dimes, and pennies, so we must attach the 0. Our final table asks us to put all of these together using a proportional table. So based on this table, what is the unit rate? The unit rate is 9. You could have chosen any of these y over x values, and the answer would be 9. Based on the information given in this table, what does a unit rate mean? Our unit rate, 9, means 9 from the y column for 1 of the x column. So it is 9 cupcakes for 1 egg. or we could say 9 cupcakes per egg. Next question. Using the unit rate, write an equation in y equals kx form for this table. Our unit rate always replaces the k. That's why it's also referred to as the k value. Our final question, use the equation to complete the table. How many cupcakes could be made with 9 eggs? The equation that we're asked to use is y equals 9x. Our x value also happens to be 9. So we'll replace the x with 9 and y equals 81. That means 81 cupcakes using 9 eggs. Thank you so much and enjoy your afternoon.